Good morning, Dave here with Organic Garden in North Carolina. I am getting ready to transplant my seeds that I planted in a starter tray inside the house. It is April the 1st, but there's no fool in here. Alright, let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what I've got going on. Okay, here's my tray. I basically just did one tray this year. And I got my list of what was planted where. Let's see, this would be Early Girl and Anaheim chili, red basil, oregano, boxcar willy, beefsteak, burpee big boy, Isis candy cherry, delicious, Rutgers jalapeno peppers, Spanish mammoth sweet peppers, and Yola Wonder sweet peppers. So I'm going to transplant them up to a 16-ounce cup. Poke some holes in the bottom of and fill it up with this potting mix, which is generally a standard like Mel's mix, but I also put some neem cake in it, which might help for fungus gnats, and it might give the plant some added protection just to boost its immune system, possibly, and it's like a fertilizer too. So anyways, that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and get started planting these. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention, I got my Sharpie so I can write on them what I'm planting, which is a very important thing to do. Alright, okay, here's everything all potted up. Now I have to see if they're going to fit in my little grow room that I have in the house. My basil is doing really nice. Alright, thanks for watching. Should have said Happy Easter. April 1st is Easter this year. Have a blessed Easter. Have a blessed day.